Hello everyone. This is UPSC 2023 Agriculture Optional Question Paper. So the question is, describe mentha cultivation with reference to varieties, soil and climate, nutrient management and processing. So what is the demand of the question? So mentha is also called the mint. So we have to tell about the mint cultivation with reference to its varieties, soil and climate, nutrient management and processing. So mentha is an important aromatic and medicinal crop grown for its essential oil, chiefly menthol, which is used in the pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, confectionery, and perfumery industries. In India, the major mentha growing states are UP, Punjab, Haryana, and Bihar. So, in this way, you can write the brief introduction for this question. Now, the varieties of mentha are Japanese mint. The examples are MAS1, MA2, Shivalik, Hybrid 77, Spearmint. Examples are MSS1, MSS5, and Punjab Spearmint 1. Bergamot mint Kiran variety, peppermint Kukrel variety. Soil and climate. Under soil and climate, you can write well drained loamy soil, high in organic matter content, with pH 6.5 to 7 is suitable. Subtropical areas receiving an annual rainfall of 100 to 150 centimeter are good. So, under soil and climate, two points are important, that is the pH of the soil and the rainfall that is required for its cultivation. Then nutrient management, apply this NPK is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So in the ratio of 50 to 75 to 50 kg per hectare as a basal. Then at 4 months after planting, nitrogen at the rate of 25 kg per hectare can be applied. Then processing. So before processing, harvesting is done. So the first cutting starts in about 5 months after planting and subsequently at 3 months interval. Under good management conditions, the crop will give economic yield for about 4 years. So that is about the harvesting. And after harvesting, the fresh herbage, that is the mint, is steam distilled to extract the mentha oil, which yields about 0.6 to 0.8% oil. So basically the cultivation of mint is done to extract the menthol. So the oil is then subject to crystallization to obtain the menthol. So these are the 4 parameters that were asked in the question. So you can write in this way. So this is the conclusion. Hence, scientific cultivation with improved varieties, balanced nutrition and efficient processing can significantly enhance mentha productivity and profitability, strengthening India's position as a leading global producer of menthol oil. So thank you and keep watching my videos.